شوي بس كنت فرحانة يوم شفت الزحمة هنا، توقعتها جايين for the science session، طلعت عشان بنزيمة. لقيته قاعد شوي. آم، كلموني مسك وقالوا لي they want me to share my research journey. بس أنا حبيت إنه أغير الموضوع إلى something else، لأنه يواكب المهنة الجديدة اللي أنا الحين أخذتها، إنه I lead the health and wellness تبع هيئة البحث والابتكار. So الموضوع and topic of my talk will be I want to change your mindset of researcher. But let me tell you a bit about my career. I've been in the field in science for the past 25 years. I've been a scientist وبعدين حطوني senior scientist, but I hate that word. أحس إنها كان لي العجايز, but it's okay. And I published lots of papers that is related to patient care. I have some patents, several patents, but at the end, I was wondering what's next. يعني I don't see it in reality. Nothing of my research product that I have published in high impact journals is seen in live, in reality, for patient care. This is relevant to my career. So out of curiosity, I just want to ask how many researchers here among the audience, if you can raise your hands. Oh, والله شوي. Okay. It doesn't matter the discipline as long as you're a scientist or innovator. Okay, so one of the questions that they keep asking us, and this is our key performance, our value in the market, is they ask us how many papers you have published, how many patents you have filed. And this is really our core value. And we need to change this mindset. I know this has been going on for the past 20 years, so we want to see the next product. وإحنا عندنا ما شاء الله, I've seen the youth, they are amazing, they are ambitious, they are creative, and the environment is so enriched with innovation and the culture as well. We need to shift this mindset. So what we want to do is we want to cascade the publication and patent to commercialization. This is a very long way, and it's challenging, but we can do it. So I'm here just to show you how we can do this journey smoothly, instead of just focusing on the number of papers and number of patents. So يعني الحين the facts. Let me give you the facts. السعودية just within 2022 published about 56,000 research articles across all disciplines. And only 10% is about 6,000 has been filed for patent, okay? And almost 1% that was commercialized. So this is disturbing. يعني, why are we doing this research? We needed to utilize it for humankind. We needed to benefit the country. And this is one of the pillars of 2030 vision, is to be an independent oil independent economy. We want to be a exporter, not this import. And we want to be dependent by ourselves. We need to develop our own healthcare and so on. So, and one of the pillars of the vision is biotech. And honestly speaking, if I give you a short story of like a fast flash in the history, I published an article that was published in one of the major journals. It's Scientific Reports, which is one of the leading journals in medicine. And it was identifying a target for treating HIV patients. So it was a protein, a drug discovery to prevent the virus replication of HIV-1. But it's published. We never taken it further. Otherwise, we'd have been the leads in the region. So this is why you need to change the mindset of not only publishing or filing patents. You need to commercialize your product. And this is one of, again, the pillars of 2030 vision. Now, how can we do this? There's many challenges, and you need to understand these challenges because this will help you if you are an inventor, if you are an entrepreneur, if you are a scientist, and going to proceed or embark in that journey. One, you need to know that there's a need for proper investment and funding for that sector. Number two, you need to have a clear understanding of the policies for patent applications, for commercialization, and again, you need to link the academia as well as to the big pharmas. And it's always important to link these two sectors at very early stage during the development, because then you can have it commercialized. Sometimes you start with a research innovation, and you end up figuring it out that it's not needed in the big pharma. So it's way better to start it in the beginning. And from my humble experience, I would suggest two ideas, if there's any policy makers or leaders in the field, is that we need to build lab bridge programs. That is business offices that will be distributed among the research academia. These people will help the scientists in their startups, in their entrepreneurs programs. Another program could be the technology transfer centers, and these people will help scientists in the applications of the patent, registration, commercialization, and so forth. So finally, I would like to end my talk is that I know it's a bit boring, it's a bit very scientific, but I thought that I would see more scientists here, or at least you might be now interested to pursue science. We live in a very great time in Saudi Arabia. We have the great capacity that I've seen, nowhere else in the world, and we have talents, and you have a culture of enriched with innovation. So just one thing that you should do is believe in yourselves, nurture your talents, empower each other, and the future is way ahead of you, inshallah. Thank you.